I'm back with another hair video, and this time we are doing the Ciara Matte Gala Puff Balls. Yes, I want to do it so bad because her hair was giving me life when she got her hair like that, and it was just like moving. So I'm gonna try my best to do that. So let's jump right into the video because I don't want to hold y'all too long. So let's get it. But before I start, I have these because she had them wrapped around. Look like she had them wrapped around to kind of bring them out before she put the ponytail on. These huge puff balls that I bought from Amazon. I believe they was like $13 a piece, but they are huge. Look how big they are. So yeah, we about to get this look. Watching it.
Check it out. Work. I love it like you twerk. My mama's such a flirt. I'm all under her skirt. Me and you go berserk. I gotta stick and turn. Work it up with a burn. She said this dick is hers. Yeah. And with that I do agree, cause when I hit the Wii, girl, all I see is you and me. The way I beat the box, I make her scream Apollo Creed. But shorty, take it slow, I got that kitty on the lean. I think you're fine enough to be on all the magazines. The way she splash, brother, I think we the perfect team. Shorty, you the hottest, baby, I'm just being modest. If you want it, girl, you got it, ring on it. Call me Sonic, girl, I'm drunk up off your love. Yeah, I swear them kisses toxic, yeah, you know I'm body, baby. Fuck your other options, ain't nobody do it how I'm finna do it, and I mean that. Finna show my love below, Andre 3 stacks. Swear I can't wait to get you home. Take off all your clothes, baby girl, you know what's on. And how them hips whine, shorty got me hypnotized. Put a arch up in your spine, shit, I'm coming every time. Puff for the Mary and we finna go around. When you put your legs up, I know what's going down. Loving how your sex sounds, ooh, them sex sounds. Neighbors never met me, but they know my name now. You got me in the clouds, yeah, your body so amazing. Please excuse me if I'm gazing. This blunt is plenty strong. May I ask you what it's laced with? Your booty got me harder than the flows off in the basement. I'll take a shot at you and promise I will never chase it. And fuck Miss Vicky's secret, girl, I wanna see you naked. Hey, shit. I wanna see you twerk, baby. Like that. See you shaking, how you moving like that. Get that ass a light smack. If you serve it to me, eat it like a light snack. Coolin', girl, are you aware of what you doing? Promise that you ain't nothing to fool with. The way you're working got me coming too quick. Ooh, shit, I got you on my brain. Work of art, but I beat it out the frame. I think me and you the same. I'll give you my pleasure in exchange for all your pain. Hey, visit Cloud9 while we roll this paper plane. Once I clear it out, baby, I'ma make it rain. Weatherman, baby, I'ma make it rain. That other dude is lame, girl, I work it till it's sprain, dang.
Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. I think I did okay. They move, they big edges. Yeah, so this is how you get the matte Gala Ciara look. Like this is not an everyday hairstyle, but it can be. I like these. So yeah, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment below what's the next look y'all want me to do, and make sure you guys watch my behind the scenes photo shoot video. Description gonna be down above or right there. So yeah, so let me know if you guys like this.